Hello, I'm Marites Ansa, your nursing assistant for today. Today, I will help you or I will guide you or I will teach you how to feeding the baby. We can use the bottle. And then I will also, the next, I will teach you how to also the burping for the baby. Now, first step, we will do for the feeding the baby. We can use the bottle. So before that one, you can use that one. We need to wash our hands. That one is already that one. Wash our hands. So after that, we can prepare our milk to that one to feed the baby. So now, making sure the baby have a safety with the crib position. Okay. So I will remove the baby for the best. Right there. Okay. I want to make it the baby is comfortable. So hold the baby from the head, the shoulder to protect this baby. So have the baby here. We can make the position. So this is the bottle for the baby. So you can imagine that we have the milk is here. So we can hold the baby from the head and the shoulder to make avoid the shock the baby. So should be touch the lip from the baby here. At least he can open his mouth. At least that use it means the baby can. You need to feed the baby the milk. At least she or he can feel that the milk is can feed. Okay, now she can open the mouth. Okay, hold the baby here. Then we hold the baby. So just remove the bottle like 3 to 5 minutes to make it breathe the baby or avoid to choke the baby. If you are the another position also, we can make the baby here, the position, and then again we can touch the lips and then we can feed the baby here. So again we remove again the bottle baby at she or he can breathe the baby. Okay, then we can wait for the baby. If we want to burp the baby, okay, first, okay, why we need the burping for the baby? Because baby is like first help you to baby release the air taking during the feeding, and then you can it is called comfort. It means we can have also the bonding together with the baby and attachment. So we can burping the first step. We can hold. We can make it like then other one step. You hold the baby here from his neck to the neck. Or we can hold the baby here. Okay, if the baby is burping already, so now we can put to the base. So now we're giving the baby. First, before I start, I will show you how to make it the swaddling the baby. But sure, be careful that you handle the head of the baby with your hands and the shoulder. I will teach you. Okay. Then put the baby here. Okay. Make it slowly. Okay. Hold to feel comfortable the baby. Then if the baby can fresh, and then he can sleep. If you want to pick the baby, if you want or you want to put in the crib, just hold this one and keep the baby. Okay, make sure the baby it was safely. Thank you.